Lucy is a small girl. She lives in a yellow house. One morning, she sees a brown dog. The dog looks hungry. Lucy brings a big bone. She gives it to the dog. The dog wags its tail. It becomes happy. Lucy smiles and says, "You are a friendly dog." She gives water too. Lucy names the dog Buddy. Who is a small girl? Lucy is a small girl. Where does Lucy live? Lucy lives in a yellow house. What color is Lucy's house? Lucy's house is yellow. When does Lucy see the brown dog? Lucy sees the brown dog one morning. What color is the dog? The dog is brown. How does the dog look at the beginning? The dog looks hungry. Who gives a big bone to the dog? Lucy gives a big bone to the dog. What does Lucy give to the dog first? Lucy gives a big bone to the dog first. What does the dog do after Lucy gives the bone? The dog wags its tail. How does the dog feel after getting the bone? The dog becomes happy. What does Lucy say to the dog? Lucy says, "You are a friendly dog." What does Lucy give after the bone? Lucy gives water. Who gives water to the dog? Lucy gives water to the dog. What name does Lucy give the dog? Lucy names the dog Buddy. What is the dog's name at the end? The dog's name is Buddy. Why does the dog wag its tail? The dog wags its tail because Lucy gives it a big bone. Why does Lucy smile? Lucy smiles because the dog becomes happy. Is Lucy kind? Yes, Lucy is kind because she gives a bone and water to the hungry dog.